Hello everyone. This is the first lesson for Pearson Edexcel Pure Math P3, and in this session I'm going to focus only on the questions like which are exam style questions, and the topic is algebraic methods. The questions will be taken from exercise 1A and 1B, which is going to deal with the arithmetic operations with algebraic fractions. The basics of algebraic fractions, how to add them, subtract them, all those videos I have already covered, and the links will be given in the description box. So here my main focus will be only to cover the questions from Pure Maths 3, and the questions are taken from 1A and 1B. So first we are going to have the questions from 1A, and the question here is, show that x squared minus 64 over x square minus 36 divided by 64 minus x square over x square minus 36, and we have to prove that this is equal to minus 1. Now in this question, I will start with the left hand side, and on the left hand side we have given x squared minus 64 divided by x squared minus 36. Normally in these kind of questions we factorize it, but what I see here, first of all there is a sign of division of fractions. So in mathematics, in algebra or in fractions, we do the division with the help of multiplication. So we keep the first fraction as it is, that I have written over here. Then we convert this sign of division to multiplication, and we flip the numerator and denominator in the second fraction. So then it will become x square minus 36 divided by 64 minus x square. Arithmetic fractions and algebraic fractions operate on the same way. As we have to add the fractions in arithmetic form, same is the process of adding them, and same is the process of multiplication and division. Now, when I converted this whole thing into the multiplication sign, what I see, this x square minus 36 and this x square minus 36 will cancel each other, and we will be left with x squared minus 64 divided by 64 minus x square. Now, if you see the numerator and denominator, the terms are same except their signs. So what I do, I take negative 1 common from the numerator. So it will be negative 1, and all the signs inside will be changed. So this will become minus x square and plus 64 divided by 64 minus x square. Now these both are same, so we can again cancel them, and the result will be negative 1, and that is what we have to prove. This is the right hand side. So in this particular question, we used this division symbol, and we used the division of fractions, and we converted into multiplication, and then we solved it. Next question here is question number 2. Show that the whole fraction times by another fraction, then division by the third fraction is equal to a over b. Find the values of constants a and b. So by looking at the question and what has been asked to prove, I got to know that ultimately when I will solve this whole question, I will be getting some numbers in the form of a and b only. There will be no expression like x and y because it is not mentioned here. They said a and b are the constants where they are integers. Integers means positive whole numbers or negative whole numbers. So here what you can do, the first step is, you have seen there are trinomials. This is a trinomial. It is a quadratic expression with 3 terms, denominators also. So we will simplify or we will factorize all of these expressions separately. So first, let's say I have 2x squared minus 11x minus 40. So this I have to factorize it. It can be written as 2x squared minus 16x plus 5x minus 40. In order to do this exercise, make sure you understand the concept of factorization fully, although I'll give you the link of all the videos related to this factorization in the description box. So then we will factorize it. So 2x x minus 8, then plus 5 x minus 8, and we got ultimately 2x plus times x minus 8. So this is the first part I got here. Then I have to solve for the second one, and that is x squared minus 4x minus 32. Here the factors will be negative 8 and 4. So it will be x minus 8 and x plus 4. Now if I implement it here in this part, so it will be, I will write the factorized form in the top. So 2x plus 5 times x minus 8 divided by x minus 8 times x plus 4. So what I see that one of the factor will be cancelled out. So our answer is 2x plus 5 over x plus 4 for the first one. So I'm going to write that right away here. So here what I got is, from the first part I am getting here is 2x plus 5 divided by x plus 4. This is the answer for the first part. Now similarly I will factorize the second part, which is x square plus 8x plus 16, and this will be x plus 4 times x plus 4. The denominator is 6x squared minus 3x minus 45. Now here if you see, because I can see here that 3 is a common factor. So I take that 3 common, because then it will be easy for me to do the factorization. So 3 times 2x square minus x minus 15. And then I can factorize the inside portion. So it will be 2x squared minus 6x plus 5x minus 15, which is going to give me 3. And then I will take 2 common, 2x. So it will be 2x times x minus 3, then plus 5x minus 3. It is like this way. And here you need to put the brackets. So basically what I got here, 3 times 2x plus 5 and then x minus 3. That is the first part I got. Sorry, that is the second part I got. Now what I need to do, I will be writing the same thing over here. So first part was here. Then I am going to multiply it with, the first part was x plus 4 times x plus 4. So this is x plus 4 times by another x plus 4. And then in the denominator, I am going to have 3 times 2x plus 5 times x minus 3. Now when I write it this way, so some of the terms again got cancelled, because it is the fractions multiplication. So numerator and denominators can cancel each other. So I found 2x plus 5 and 2x plus 5 got cancelled. X plus 4 and 1x plus 4 got cancelled. So basically so far what I got, x plus 4 over 3 times x minus 3. You can take the parts and you can simplify them like this. Then we have division by this part. But when I multiply, because in fractions, we do the division with the help of multiplication, and I will flip these numbers, these expressions. So 10x squared minus 45x plus 45 will be written in the on the top. 8x squared plus 20x minus 48 will be written in the denominator. Now I will be simplifying each of these again. So what I got here is, from this top one, I can see 5 I can take common. So it will be 2x squared minus 9x plus 9 divided by, I can take 4 common from the denominator. So it will be 2x squared plus 5x minus 12. That is the first thing. Then I have to simplify each of these brackets. So what I am gonna do here, first I will rub all of this, and instead of it I will be replacing it with this expression which I have received after taking the common term. So this will be 5 times 2x squared minus 9x plus 9 and divided by 4 times 2x squared plus 5x minus 12. Then next aim is to simplify these fractions or you need to factorize them. So factorization, same process we will continue. So the first step is we have 2x squared minus 9x minus 9. So it will be 2x squared and we have minus 9x. So it will be minus 6x minus 3x plus 9, which is going to give me 2x x minus 3 minus 3 x minus 3. So I will be getting here 2x minus 3 times x minus 3. So instead of writing this numerator as this expression, I will replace it with 2x minus 3 times x minus 3. Then we are left with the downward denominator. And for the denominator, I will follow the same strategy. We have 2x squared plus 5x minus 12. So I need to factorize it. So it will be 2x squared plus 8x minus 3x minus 12, which is going to give me 2x common. So x plus 4 minus 3 common, again x plus 4. So I got 2x minus 3 times x plus 4. So I am going to replace this expression with the same thing. So here I will write 2x minus 3 times x plus 4. Now 2x minus 3 and 2x minus 3 will be cancelled out. X plus 4 and x plus 4 as well. X minus 3 and x minus 3 as well. So what I am left with, a 5 in the numerator, and in the denominator I have 3 times 4, which is 12. So this is the answer, A over B, where A is equal to 5 and B is equal to 12. Now there is the next question. In this question, again we have to simplify fully. So we have x square plus 2x minus 24. I will directly start doing the factorization. So it will be x plus 6 times x minus 4 divided by 2x x plus 5. Then multiply, I can take x common, so it will be x into x minus 3. In the denominator, I will get x square. And here we have 6x, so it is, 3x, so x plus 6 times x minus 3. So x plus 6 and x plus 6 got cancelled. X minus 3 and x minus 3 got cancelled. X and x as well, they got cancelled. So what I am left with here is x minus 4 over 2x plus 10. So this is the answer for this particular question. We have simplified it fully. Simplify in algebraic fractions means like when you have multiplication, you need to factorize, and when you factorize, you need to cancel the same expressions. Then the next question, f of x is equal to 2x square minus 3x minus 2 over 6x minus 8 divided by x minus 2 over 3x square. So here again we have to do the same thing. First expression is 2x square minus 3x minus 2. It has three terms and this is a polynomial, so this is a trinomial. So how to simplify this? 2x squared minus 4x plus 1x minus 2. So 2x I am taking common, x minus 2 plus 1 x minus 2. So it is 2x plus 1 and x minus 2. So here I am going to write 2x plus 1 times x minus 2 and divided by 6x minus 8. I can take 2 common. So it will be 3x minus 4. Then we have to times. This is a division. So we will do it with multiplication. So this part will be in the numerator. 3x squared plus 14x minus 24 divided by x minus 2. I can see clearly x minus 2 and x minus 2 can get cancelled. Now the only thing which is left is I need to factorize 3x squared plus 14x minus 24. So in order to do this part, we have 3x squared plus 14x minus 24. So this is like negative 72. And we have here 14. So we can do 18 and 4. That will be the factors. So 3x squared plus 18x minus 4x minus 24. I can take 3x common. You have to show all these parts in your working. X plus 6 minus 4 x plus 6. So we got it like 3x minus 4 times x plus 6. And now you will be writing it. So first here we will continue writing 2x plus 1 over 2 into 3x minus 4 times by 3x minus 4 times by x plus 6. So 3x minus 4 and 3x minus 4 got cancelled. And what we are left with, we will be just writing that part. And that part we got is here 2x plus 1 times by x plus 6 over 2. Now because we have to show f of x is equal to this, so we have to expand these two brackets and it will give me 2x square plus x plus 12x plus 6 over 2 and x plus 12x. Instead of writing it this way, I can write it like plus 13x and plus 6 divided by 2. So this is the way to prove this question. So first part is done. Then second part is hence differentiate f of x. See, this was a big question here, but we simplified it and we got it this way. Now we have to differentiation. Differentiation, if we have to do, so we know the process. F of x, we have proved that it is 2x squared plus 13x plus 6 over 2. If you want, you can write it individual term. You can divide it by 2. So 13x by 2 plus 6 by 2, which is 3. So 2 and 2 cancel. So we got x squared plus 13 over 2x and plus 3. Now this is so far we have f of x. Now I will start differentiating it term by term. So x squared derivative is 2x and derivative of 13 over 2x is 13 by 2. Derivative of 3 is 0. So I got f dash x is equal to 2x plus 13 by 2. But we need to find out f dash 4. So replace x by 4. So it is 2 times 4 plus 13 over 2. So this is 8 plus 13 divided by 2. So that is 16 plus 13 divided by 2, which is equal to 29 divided by 2, or you can say 14 and a half. So this is the value of f dash 4. These are all are the questions from the first exercise. Now we have some questions from the second exercise also. Here we have these questions. This is the question 1. Then we have this question 2, question 3. So we will be doing now these questions. And these are from exercise 1B and they are based on the addition and subtraction of algebraic fractions. So if you see here, when you add the two algebraic simple arithmetic fractions, we need to keep the denominators same or we need to make them same. Same is the process over here. So we have 6x plus 1 over, if I factorize it, it will be considered as x plus 5 times x minus 3 and minus 4 over x minus 3. So here in the denominator, this factor is missing. So I will times by x plus 5 and I will divide by x plus 5. So we got 6x plus 1 minus 4 times x plus 5 over x squared plus 2x minus 15. You can write the same thing again. Here, because the denominators were same, so I directly wrote it. Now I will open this bracket. So 6x plus 1 minus 4 times x is 4x and minus 4 times 5 is minus 20 over x squared. If you want, you can keep it like x plus 5 and x minus 3 also. Or if you want, you can keep it this way. So 6x minus 4x is 2x and 1 minus 20 is 19 over x plus 5 times x minus 3. Now we have to check, can we cancel any factor? No. So that is the most simplified form. Then we go to the next question. Express this whole thing as a single fraction in the simplest form. So again we have 4 times, this is 4 times 2x minus 1 divided by, I can factorize this 36x squared minus 1. How? This is 6x the whole square minus 1 square. So it will give me a square minus b square, which is a minus b times a plus b. So I will write here 6x plus 1. Let me write it again. So this is 6x plus 1 and 6x minus 1. And then plus 7 over 6x minus 1. So now to make the denominators equal, I need to times by 6x plus 1 and here also 6x plus 1. So what I got, I will open this bracket. So 8x minus 4 plus 7 times 6 is 42. So 42x plus 7 and divided by 6x plus 1 times 6x minus 1. Once you make the denominators equal, you can add up the numerators directly. So now 8x plus 42x, which is 50x, minus 4 plus 7, which is 3, divided by 6x plus 1 times by 6x minus 1. So this is the answer for this particular question. Now we are on our last question for this exercise 1b. Here what they say, gx is equal to this thing, x belongs to r. This means x is belong, this e sign is belongs to r, means real number. So x is a real number. X cannot be 2, negative 2, and x cannot be 4. That will be because otherwise there will be asymptotes and that is not a part of domain. We have to prove g of x is this factor. So again, because we are adding the fractions, so we have x, then we have plus 6 over x plus 2, and then we have plus 36 over, now I can factorize this, so it will be x minus 4 times x plus 2. Now I can see here is a factor x plus 2, here is x minus 4 and x plus 2, and here is nothing. So I will make all the denominators equal by multiplying and divide by the required terms. So we have here x minus 4 times x plus 2, and same I will be writing here x minus 4 times x plus 2, and here we will multiply by x minus 4 and here also x minus 4. When I open the bracket, so x first I keep outside and I will multiply these two brackets. So this is x squared minus 2x minus 8 plus 6x minus 24 plus 36. And in the denominator, we will be writing x minus 4 times x plus 2. Now I will open the brackets, and when I will open the brackets, I will multiply x by x square. So that is going to give me an x cubed. So this is equal to x cubed minus 2x squared minus 8x plus 6x plus 36 minus 24 is 12 over x plus 2 times x minus 4. From here, I can see that negative 8x and positive 6x, these are the like terms. So I can write it x cubed minus 2x squared minus 2x plus 12 over x plus 2 times x minus 4. So this is the final result. For the first part, that is what we had to solve. Now they say use algebraic long division, prove that x square g of x is x square minus 4x plus 6 over x minus 4. So what I can see over here, that for some factors this x plus 2 has been cancelled out. That means x plus 2 is dividing this whole thing. So we will try to divide it by the long division. If you have any question with the long division, you can comment me so I can make a video on the long division as well. Minus 2x plus 12. I see here is x cube and here is x. So in order to make x as x cubed, I need to times it by x square. So it will be x cubed, and plus 2 multiplied by x square, it will be plus 2x squared. Then we will subtract, so minus 4x squared minus 2x. So I will times by minus 4x because I have to make minus 4x squared from just x. So this is minus 4x squared minus 8x, and then I will subtract again. So subtraction means you need to change the sign. So it will be 6x plus 12, and now I will times by 2. So it will be 6x plus 12, and then it will be cancelled out by changing the sign. So basically what I got here, that if I divide this whole numerator, which is x cubed minus 2x squared minus 2x plus 12 by x plus 2, I got x squared minus 4x plus 6, and then whole thing is divided by x minus 4. This is my answer. Because this part x cubed, this part over x minus 2, that gives me only this numerator. I hope these questions are easy to do now. Please practice these questions, and if you still feel any doubt, let me know. You can comment. Thank you.